Hello everyone and welcome back to Online Arabic Course. Today we are going to learn about how to say in Arabic language have to. So let's get started. Let me tell you first that I will teach you now how to translate have to into Arabic language with three ways. So the first one is yajibu ala. Yajibu ala. Yajibu plus ala means have to. You have to yajibu alayka. You have to yajibu alayka. Kaf with fatha. Yajibu alayka. It's used for male. And yajibu alayki. Kaf with kasra. It's used for female. Yajibu alayki. You have to. Yajibu alayki. You have to. For example, you have to be patient. Yajibu alayka an takuna saburan. You have to. Yajibu alayka. Be patient. An takuna saburan. يجب عليك أن تكون صبورا. It's used for male. But if you are talking to a female, then you will use يجب عليك أن تكوني صبورة. يجب عليك أن تكوني صبورة. You have to be patient. يجب عليك kaf with kasra. It's used for female. أن تكوني with ya and صبورة with round ta. Actually, in Arabic sentence, we bring words according to the subject. So, yajibu alayki kaf with kasra. Here, the subject is female. You have to yajibu alayki. So, when the subject is female, we will use the another words according to the subject. So, we used here an takuni saburatan. Yajibu alayki an takuni saburatan. You have to be patient. The second one is yajibu. Yajibu means have to without ala. Yajibu without ala means have to. So we will apply this second way on the same example. You have to be patient. Yajibu an takuna saburan. Yajibu an takuna saburan. Yajibu an takuni saburatan for female. Yajibu an takuni saburatan. And the third one is ala. Ala means have to. Here without yajibu. The second one was yajibu without ala and the third one is ala without yajibu. All the ways are same in giving the meanings. So let's apply this way also on the same examples. You have to be patient. Alayka an takuna saburan. Alayka an takuna saburan. You have to be patient for female. Alayki an takuni saburatan. Alayki an takuni saburatan. I hope you understood very well how to translate you have to into Arabic language. Let's know now how to translate I have to or he has to or she has to or any other name plus has to in Arabic language. That's very simple. All we have to do in these cases is just changing the nouns or pronouns after ala. Let me explain this by giving examples. The previous one was you have to. So we translated it yajibu alayka or yajibu alayki. And now we will translate I have to. Yajibu alayya. I have to. Yajibu alayya. Yajibu ala plus ya. Alayya. I have to. Yajibu alayya. He has to. Yajibu alayhi. He has to. Yajibu alayhi. Yajibu ala plus zamir hu. Yajibu alayhi. She has to. Yajibu alayha. She has to. Yajibu alayha. Yajibu ala plus az-zamir ha. Yajibu alayha. Hassan has to. Hassan has to. Yajibu ala Hassan. Yajibu ala plus Hassan. Yajibu ala Hassan. Everyone has to. Yajibu ala al-jami'. Yajibu ala plus al-jami'. Yajibu ala al-jami'. And now we will use these phrases in sentences. I have to be patient. يجب علي أن أكون صبورا. يجب علي أن أكون صبورا. He has to be patient. يجب عليه أن يكون صبورا. يجب عليه أن يكون صبورا. She has to be patient. يجب عليها أن تكون صبورة. يجب عليها أن تكون صبورة. Hassan has to be patient. يجب على حسن أن يكون صبورا. يجب على حسن أن يكون صبورا. And here also we can use only ala without yajibu. Alayya an nakuna saburan. And likewise, alayhi an yakuna saburan. Alayha an takuna saburatan. Alayha an takuna saburatan. I hope you understood the lesson well. If you could not, you can repeat the video again and listen carefully. And now, the exercise time. You have to go. You have to be happy. Leave your translations in comment box by using the words given in description. And finally, if you really want to learn Arabic language, must follow us on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. You will find there also some new things related Arabic language. Links in description. And like the video and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.